Hey, what you doing? Let me see your face. Ew. Your mouth is too small for that, baby. Oh, you vampire. You are vampire. Vampire. Hey, don't put it back in there. You put it in your mouth. No. You put it in your mouth. You have to take it. Yes, you put it in your mouth, so you have to take it. Miss, you're too close. Kristen, no, no, stop. You can't. You, go back and sit over there right now.